Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the day number 5. Today we're going to review the source code from Rust. We need to finish yesterday, and we're going to answer your doubts and solution about coding problems you have found until today. One, hello, how are you? You have the word. You can.
Hello. Hello, thank you, Andres, for the presentation. We are going to test the functions of the contract. Let me share the screen, please. Yesterday we deployed the contract. The name of the account of the contract is this one because we deployed with dev deployed. We are going to test the functions. We initialized yesterday with the function new. So now we can ask the contract for the total of deposits. Near view the name of the contract or the account of the contract, the function. That's a view function, so don't need our account to sync the transaction. The total sum of deposits is 0.
Juan, can you make the example, please, calling this function in stat gallery too? This
Yes.
just the fact if some of you are front-end developers and you don't have access to the smart contract, you can call the function from stat gallery. So we're going to show you how to call any functions from there, so you will have an idea how the smart contract works and how the call should be. Of course, in the stat gallery, sometimes we can see the parameters. So we need to ask the backend developer to give us the required parameters for any functions, or just to see or watch the source code.
I send the link so you can click there and you will find this screen. The functions of our contract is new. This should be called just once, and it's already called yesterday. So you can try to call those 3: deposit, withdraw, and get the sum of deposits. We called this already in the near CLI, but we can call it here too. This is a view function, so just click here. And the answer is 0. No deposits yet. So maybe we can deposit something. If you have the near CLI, we are going to make a deposit here.
One question. We need always start the smart contract with the new functions, or this is an automatic when you deploy?
This can be done both ways.
Okay.
Well, maybe you will find always, maybe almost always, the example with the initialization later.
Okay.
Yes, deposit one near. So in the terminal or CMD command line, we are going to click near to write near beyond H. So we will find the commands. We're going to call with near, call the account of the contract, the name of the function is deposit to storage. And now the argument, oh, there is no argument in this. But if some argument should be right this way. No arguments here, so we will say which account are going to use with account ID and the name of our account. This function should receive at least one year. As we see yesterday, we are asking the function, the attached deposit is most or bigger than a near. If not, then it will panic. So let's attach the deposit. There are two ways to send in Yocto near or in near. It's here. Let me attach. Maybe there is not here. Deposit in near, so we can write with this just one. Let me show you. Deposit one, this is 1 year. But if we choose the second option, deposit Yocto, this is you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to write this amount of zeros, 24, and the one to be 1 year. So let's send the transaction like this. It must be like we see more, not more or equal. So let's add 1 Yocto at the end. We see the receipt is this and the transaction is here. My screen transaction. Like yesterday, the Explorer needs a few seconds. So let's reshare the screen. And we see the transaction is here. The value is 1 near with 1 Yocto at the end. You can see there. no arguments, and you have deposited 1 year. What is this log, or why it is here? Because in the contract, we maybe all the screen. In the contract, we write here env function or method log str. You have deposited and the deposit. That function log str is what is here in the receipt. And then the extra gas is transferred back to the account. Now, let's withdraw this, or let me show you how to call this one in Stats Gallery. You are here in the Stats Gallery. The account is in testnet. You should connect with your account. This will ask you for limited access. Verify this is your testnet account. Next. Connect. And now you can come here and make a deposit. If I send 1 year, you should see the same time. Must be more than 1 year. Approve. Yes, here is. The smart contract panicked. Deposit must be greater than 1 year. And we sent just 1 year. So please try to make the call function with 1, 23 zeros, and 1. Or let me send you the exact amount in the chat. Please try to call this function with Stats Gallery or near CLI, so we can test the result. Right. I see many of you already did. Great. Now let's withdraw the amount in near CLI. You can come here and here all the name withdraw storage your account the receipt is here, the Explorer link is here. withdraw when near, and we should see the transfer. Transferred. It's here. Transferred one near to your account. And in the Explorer, we can see all the calls. Deposit to storage. Great. And you can do this in Stats Gallery too. No arguments, just make the call. Withdraw storage. Why this is maybe recent one. Yeah, if the function has not the way the word payable, it will tell us method withdraw don't accept deposit. But I don't know why Stats Gallery is not making the call without a deposit.
Remember, sometimes TextNet doesn't work well in a proper manner. Sometimes I have calls from a smart contract without authorization, and I also get redirected to the authorization wallet. I think it's TestNet.
Yeah. But if you want to try the near CLI, you see it's already done. So that's all about our contract. If you want to talk about the teams, Andres.
Okay, guys. We have 3 teams. I would like to know what project do you have in mind. Maybe we can start for team number 1, Timur, Mehmet Ali, Mehmet Taha, and Metehan. If you want to share with us your idea, your thoughts, what do you have in mind for the project, or if you don't have already any idea, and maybe we together can create an idea for you guys. Also, can start the team number 2, Ramsey, Ese, Mert, and Yunus.
Mehmet burada mısın? Mehmet Ali.
Hello. Yes, I'm here.
Herhangi bir projeniz var mı şu an yapmak düşündüğünüz ya da destek almak istediğiniz herhangi?
No. My project is basic advanced smart contract create near wallet. No, my group is idea project. No.
So you're going to create a simple wallet smart contract, did you say?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have doubts about how to create this? Do you need any help?
My smart contract is Rust.
Okay, but are you starting from the smart contract Juan gave us today, or are you starting from zero?
I don't understand the Rust part. Don't understand. JavaScript, okay.
Okay,
I understand JavaScript part.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
Ross.
Very hard.
Yes, Ross is hard at the beginning, but no, don't worry. We can help you to start with Rust. Maybe you can start your project from zero, and we are here to help. You can create 2 or 3 functions, and we can build here together. to start, and then you can go at home. Yeah, I don't know if you want to try it right now, or you rather wait to the next week and study this weekend. Okay, Timur is saying that Rust is hard. We need more practice of a Rust. We will try this weekend. Okay, awesome. Remember, doesn't matter if we can answer your doubts via Telegram chat. We will able all the weekend to help you guys. Just remember, we have I think 7 hours clock difference. Okay, here's 1 p.m. 1:31 p.m. I think for you guys it's 8:31.
I have not studied the Rust before,
Okay.
but I'm learning Rust.
Okay, awesome. Don't worry. Last year I didn't know anything about Rust, and I hated it at the beginning. But then you get used to use, then it's more fluently. Yes, sometimes you hate it or love it. Okay, the team number 2, Renzi, Esed, Mert, and Yunus. Do you want to share with us your thought? What you planning to do?
We are considering a voice application on JavaScript. We probably use JavaScript for language.
No, you need to create the smart contract Rust
Yes.
or assembly script.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scripts. We will use assembly script for smart contracts.
Okay, assembly script. And when do you have in mind? Well, what are you planning to do?
Actually, we don't any plans for now, but we will work on that over the weekend.
Okay, awesome. As I told you, try to create simple smart contract. You can create a smart contract that deposit near. You can create a smart contract to transfer near from one account to other. Maybe a smart contract, a counter, an integral counter, or a smart contract to create a simple math operations. The idea is to create a couple of functions, deploy, and compile and deploy in the blockchain and make the calls. Next Monday, I will explain to you guys how to call these functions in the front end side, how to install the requirement tools, how to create the environment, how to connect the wallet and make the calls and get the result back to the front. Okay, then we have the team number 3, Furkan, Murat, and Onur. I think they are here, yes. Murat.
I have an idea about project.
Okay.
I didn't share it with my friends actually, but the idea is that I plan to create a card game on assembly script, a snap game, maybe you know.
Yes. Okay. Very good idea. Nice.
The problem is I concern how to connect the backend with front end.
Okay.
I don't know it. If you can help us, that would be great.
Yes, this Monday we're planning to explain how to connect the front end with the back end. For this purpose, I'm gonna ask you guys, all of you, what do you know in the front end side? Do you know Vue, React Native, or just simple JavaScript?
I know React actually, but I haven't used any API connection between backend and frontend. I know how to create API, but didn't connect it.
Okay. The connection is basic. No matter what language, what framework are you using. In my case, I use Vue, but we have I think we can create the example using Vue, React, and a simple JavaScript. So with those 3, we will have a basic idea how to call it. And writing code in React Native, I understand how to. Okay. Don't worry. Next Monday we will explain how to connect to the smart contract. It's very easy. It's very similar to any backend. The code is a little bit different, but the results is the same. We will have a JSON. Juan, I don't know if you can create, we have enough time, if you can create a function that receive a couple of parameters and print this result according to the user input. Yes, JSON, Rust deployed returns a JSON, right? They just return a JSON. Yeah. The API is mostly JSON. Of course, for this course, we will receive the result from direct from the smart contract. Then when we are more advanced programming in blockchain, we need to call from GraphQL. This is a tool where we can build the query, and we call this query from the front, and we receive a JSON, not direct from the smart contract. That's the importance to create a log for any transaction, because these logs are stored in the blockchain, and these logs will be the data we're going to search on any query from the blockchain. But for this course, let's focus in and call the view direct from a smart contract. Okay, Juan is going to create a function that will receive a parameter from the user and print. Maybe you can create an incremental function and simple math operation function and this function hello world, and to give the guys idea how to receive and print with parameters. Hello world.
It's better to just in Rust we have the str and the strings. So if the str is just it's almost the same, but need to be converted to a string in order to store here. Maybe this is just very complicated example, but I wanted to show this quickly. Vamos a cambiar, because we are going to change the state of the blockchain. And no parameters because it's a toggle. How to store here? Ah,
Are you pretending change the language in the state of the blockchain?
yes, but just between English and Spanish because I don't know another bot. This will show how to change this in the blockchain.
Change to Turkish.
Yeah. What I'm doing here wrong. Yeah, the if is right.
At this one,
Where?
Turkish. TR, right?
Hmm. Ah, of course. There is no error there, but the function itself is expecting a string, and saving the function makes the result this one. So let's end this function and shall be gone the error. Equal to string. And then format. You have changed the language to perfect. There's one function that read this. Self name string returns an string. Saludo en inglés. Hello. Let hello equals to how to write hello in
Selam.
Turkish. Okay,
Selam.
thank you.
Well, I'm not sure. This is what Google Translator told
Yes,
me.
it's true.
Okay.
Then format. The first variable is this selam or hello. And name. So, let me out. That's another thing in Rust. You cannot change without the mute word. So this is impossible. But if you write let mute, now it's right.
Yeah, to change the state of a variable, we need to create this variable mutable, with the word mute. That means this variable can change its value. Otherwise, the smart contract will panic if you're trying to change the value of this variable.
Let's compile this contract. Two imports. Again, no error.
Sometimes you will have this warning, but the code will compile too. Just the ROS is telling you have variable declares without using it.
And now dev deploy. You see, I erase, I delete the folder here telling deep account. This way we can deep deploy and create another deep account. So let's near deep deploy the ubication of the WAS file and click.
Yes, any change in the smart contract, you need to compile again and redeploy.
Near process. This is just near course, not example.
Okay, we have deployed the smart contract again. If you refresh your stat gallery, you will see these no functions.
No, because we changed the
the dev account. Okay.
Yes, let me send it here.
Well, but I think you can redeploy using the same account and nothing will happen, because this dev deployed recreate the state of the contract.
Yes, this was possible, but I already deleted the near dev folder, so that's not possible anymore. But yes, this was an option.
Okay, if you go to the stat gallery account using this dev account, you will see hello name, tool shows language, and hello name language.
Where is contract? Here.
Also in the stat gallery, you will see how to detect parameters, but it's always give some errors. It never works really.
But the contract has not been initialized. So if you're trying to call something, you will find an error. But try. New. No, but that is not. It's on. The contract is initialized again. And now we can call these functions hello name near call contract hello name. The parameters are this way. Name our account ID.
All the parameters should be inside the brace and double quote.
This is a view function because no need to change the state. So didn't need our account ID at the end. Hello, Juan. Thank you for joining the course. If we want to change or maybe call this another function, it is hello name language. We have English, so this should say hello Juan. Hello Juan. If we want to change the chosen language, it receives no parameters, but
It's a new view or new call?
A call. Yes, thank you. No parameters, but it needs our account ID and needs to be a call function. Click. We have changed the language to Turkish. And now, again, near view, hello name language, and should say Selam Juan. Eso.
Yes.
It's done. Yes.
And we have just created an artificial intelligence language program, multi-language.
So I will upload this to the GitHub so you can say how to change the state of the blockchain.
Yes, guys, I hope with these couple of functions, you have an idea how to write your functions this weekend and present us your project next Monday. Remember, this Monday, we will see an example from the front side. Let me create a simple basic React application and maybe a simple HTML and JavaScript to compare both. But the basics is the same. We need to connect with Near. We need to log in using the wallet, select the state of the wallet, and call the functions and add in parameters, and then get the results. That will be the number, the hash number that will be printed on the Explorer. Okay, so we conclude for today. Hope you have a very good weekend and enjoy your learning this weekend for Rust. Okay, Renzi, go ahead.
Can we call hello name function on stat gallery?
Yes, you can
I
call.
couldn't do that.
Okay, go ahead, share the screen and we help you. Because you need to know the parameters you're going to call. You need to log in. And go ahead. Please share your screen and we can try together here.
Yeah, I have internet connection for today.
Okay.
I hope.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's the same here. Okay, first you need to log in with your wallet.
Yeah,
Go to account. Okay. Use def as exactly. Okay. Okay. And you need to be logged in your dev account, your testnet account wallet.
I was
Let's see if
logged
you have it.
a few minutes ago.
Okay. Wait a minute to.
If you're going to call the hello name function, that's view, you don't need to log in your wallet.
Yeah, I couldn't download near SLI, so that I have to use Stat Gallery.
Okay. Just
But-
okay. Click on the link I just sent you.
Okay.
Okay, now. Okay, in the contract, you can say call hello name.
Mhm.
Just click in view. Okay, you don't need to be logged.
Yeah, but you need the arguments.
You need arguments,
Mhm.
right? Okay,
Yeah,
add
I
one
couldn't-
argument.
It's
Okay.
name.
What is name, Juan, of this argument?
Name is a string. So
Okay.
in field, write name. Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put name.
Sure.
Put name in this input.
My name or
No. The variable name. Just name.
like that?
Okay.
And
Okay.
the
It's a
value.
string.
Mhm.
Yes. The value is your name, or wherever
Yeah,
you want to add.
Okay, let's-
Okay. Now you view. Click in view.
this button.
Yes. Awesome.
Okay.
That is okay. That's it. Awesome. This is very similar. We're going to do the next Monday, but we're coding by ourselves. Okay, we will show a simple web page with a couple of inputs and a button, and we're going to print the result. And we need to print the hash results that will send us to the near explorer to see how it's work, how is the call, how many gas we need to call this function. Although all the views are for free, the calls is the function that we need to pay, but just a little bit. Okay. Well, guys, see you Monday. Hope you enjoy your weekend.